Hi all. I just wanted to briefly tell you about assignment 13, which is dealing with communicating effectively with families, and especially families of diverse backgrounds. So what I want for you to do is I want you to create a video of you preparing for a conference with multicultural parents or caregivers. Okay, so list what you would consider when communicating with diverse families. And in particular, you are a second grade teacher in a multicultural school setting. Your students speak four different home languages, and the families of your children are immigrants who have lived in the country for at most 2 years. So there's certain obstacles that you're going to face when communicating and holding a teacher-parent conference with families of this sort of diverse background. So using the steps of conducting a parent-teacher conference in your text, determine how you would conduct the conference with two imaginary families. Okay, so two families of the backgrounds that I was just speaking of. Describe the situation of each family, a little bit of background information, and then use this information to prepare a more effective approach to teacher-parent conferences. Okay, so use the information of your imaginary families to help you prepare. And then you are going to include a list of what should be considered when communicating with diverse families. Okay, so start with the list, then give us some background of the two imaginary families and the information that you would use to prepare, and make sure that you include all of the areas in the steps of conducting a parent-teacher conference. So what I'm really looking for is that you create two case scenarios for families and that you use the information that you created to make a more effective and appropriate approach to communicating with these families based on the information that the text is giving you. So include all of this in a video and describe it and explain it, and then you're going to post your video to the discussion board and respond to at least one peer. As always, please do contact me if you have any questions or concerns, because this is an area that we are all going to face. I faced it in my past when I was teaching, and we are just teaching in a very multicultural society now. So this is something that is very vital for us to learn. Good luck.